the Ioniq 6 sedan arrives in North America in 2023. And today, we're pleased to reveal that our eco-friendly lineup, the 7 mid-size sport utility electric vehicle, marks a milestone in Hyundai Motor Company's journey as a smart mobility solutions provider. We are excited to share with you the first glimpse of the 7 concept, the third model in our Ioniq family of dedicated battery electric vehicles. 7 takes a monumental leap forward in eco-friendly transportation. The last 2 years have taught us that the world faces daunting challenges today and in the decades ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Sang-Yup Lee. At Hyundai, we design to bring exciting and emotional experiences to our customers. The Ioniq 5 was the first to offer a brand new EV design experience with focus on space innovation and sustainability. That was only the tip of the iceberg. What we have planned. We began this journey with the 45 concept in 2019. Then came the Prophecy concept last year. These were truly genre-breaking designs that placed customer value at the top and ahead of industry norms. Hyundai's electric platform takes advantage of our opportunities to change the typology of our vehicles to explore singular styles. At the same time, the platform gives us freedom to rediscover the emotions lost over time and explore new experiences not possible through technology. At first glance, what you see is an aerodynamic pure form that is instinctively divergent from a typical SUV. The 7 is the epitome of emotional efficiency from very low and leading edge of the front hood to aerodynamically curved roofline. Yet, the 7 does not compromise on ruggedness. It presents a powerful stance that exudes the commanding presence. The parametric pixel is the common thread that links the digital and the analog. It serves as a reminder that we consider every aspect of design, every pixel of it. Nothing is conventional about the 7. The doors are asymmetric, one on the driver's side and the pillarless coach doors on the passenger side, already hinting at the special experience that awaits you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get in. With the fast arrival of autonomous driving technology, we looked ahead and explored new design experiences we can offer our customers. In this future, when the pillarless coach door opens, the first thing you will notice is a completely new dimension of space. This reshaped space was possible because of streamlined roofline and the long wheelbase, the longest in this vehicle segment. The thoughtful layout could easily be mistaken as a home. The swiveling lounge chair that features a retractable control stick that hides away when not needed. Have you ever seen a lounge seat like this? How about in a car? Specially designed home appliances to enhance the home-like feel of this comfortable interior. But not just any home. This is a sustainably designed space for your close companions. Just by touching the surfaces, the mineral plaster and hygiene treated fabrics that tells a story of sustainability that echoes throughout the cabin. Like a home interior, the emphasis is on clean, sustainable environment, which is even more important for mobile personal space. The hygiene airflow system and UVC sterilization to bring airtight control and thoughtful care to every last detail. Emotional efficiency to reshape interior space, caring for our customers. The 7 breaks from the beaten path, ready to travel the uncharted route. This is how we design the first true SUV. Welcome aboard the 7.
If you want to learn more about Hyundai's latest contributions to progress for humanity, and if you missed any part of the presentation, you can watch the global digital premiere on the 7 concept at Hyundai.com. We're sure you have lots of questions for us about 7 and all the smart mobility solutions that Hyundai has to offer. Our executives and product specialists are looking forward to speaking with you on stage, but please give us just a few minutes for a photo op with President Jung and the executive team. Then we'll have you all come up and ask your questions. Thank you all for being here.
Perfect for the company, I think. For finance here in the States, there are a lot of people with Cherry, CSLV, Puma.
Here, this is the beautiful car for that. Yeah.
Because they are looking for space.
With the status.
A large
But that contrasted with the simplicity of this gives us that contrast and gives us that visual value. So it's recycled waste. The transparency is very important to us. You see here, this is then illuminated from within with UVC lighting. So it sterilizes. Every surface you touch is sterile. The exterior is very powerful. Can we get a light shot here with the You can. You keep going. Keep going. You're fine. Thank you. Yes.